Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can I say this dua? Allahumma salli ala Muhammad عند الشفع والوتر وكلمات الله التامة الطيبات المباركات. You can't say this in the salah. You can say this durood Allahumma salli ala Muhammad in the tahiyat. At-tahiyatu lillahi. It is not only in shafa witr. You can say also in any. But yes, I mean to say, I think people are using this in the qunut. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. At that time, there is no hadith which says that Rasulullah said that. So that I will say is better not to say that, because I remember people, when they finish the dua qunut at the end, before they're going to the ruku, the sajda, they say Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, and then they do that. So it is not from the hadith.